Hey guys, welcome back. Today, Cricut has gone crazy and released another mystery box today. This one is called the Leprechaun mystery box, and of course I'm excited because Cricut has loaded us up with some beautiful things to play with. So this box is an $86.93 value, but you get the box for $29.99. If you add just a few items into your cart and make it a $50 purchase, then you get 10% off with our code, and I will link all of that for you, and it's above, and I'll put it below. So I'm really excited about this box in particular because it has one of my very favorite things. Hey guys, come on in. The very first thing that I saw when I opened up the box were the Cricut pens, and what makes these pens even better is that they are glitter, and they're beautiful colors. There is a color theme with this box. There's a lot of pinks, a lot of soft colors, and I'll show you everything that's inside. If you would like to share this video, feel free to share it so we can spread the Cricut love. I will upload this to YouTube after we have finished, and you will be able to buy this box as long as it's still available. Sometimes these do sell out, and once they are sold out, we do not restock. It's just kind of first come, first serve. And so at any time, if you want to purchase the box, there is a link above, and you can go ahead and purchase that. So this one is the Leprechaun mystery box, and like I said, you get these beautiful pens. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, and you get the pink, blue, purple, orange, and green. And these are glitter. So you can use these with your machine, and I will show you guys how to use that in a tutorial this week. But I also use these like free-handed just outside of my machine because I am a pen snob, and I love how Cricut pens write. They're so smooth, and once they dry, they don't smear. They've never smeared for me, and the glitter is just absolutely beautiful. I love these Cricut pens. So moving on to our next, you do get 2 samplers of fabric with this box, and they are beautiful too. Let me show you. This one is, they're both Riley Blake, and Riley Blake has some of my very favorite fabric because their fabric is really good quality, and I'll just show you this sampler. So you get the floral, you get this gray polka dot. It looks kind of maybe a taupe. Excuse me. Then you get this pink that is soft, and this is beautiful too. I love this. And you get this teal, this floral teal. And then you get this kind of cross-hatched pink. It's a darker pink. It is beautiful too, so I love that one. So these are big panels. Let me show you how big these are. These will cover a lot, and you can get a lot of projects done with this fabric. And I do have a tutorial on the channel on how to use fabric with your Cricut machine. You just put some heat and bond on the back of it, and you can cut it with your machine. These fabrics are beautiful. So the next pack of fabrics that you get is another Riley Blake Designs. This one is called Love Story. Sorry guys if I sniffle. It is not on purpose. Okay, and so you get this really pretty swan pattern, and it has teal polka dots. Then you get this gorgeous pink, and this all floral. Love this. Then you get just a staple blue. You get this super, super cute, does that say, this says love, yeah. That's really cute. This one says love. I thought it was just swirls, but it's love. So this one is super cute. And then, I know it may be backwards to you guys because you're on camera with me. And then this one might be my favorite. This is not polka dots. This is hearts, and it is a teal with a darker blue accent. So, and it's really pretty. If you see the details, they are kind of just zigzag colored in, and they're really pretty. So that's the 2 panels of fabric that you get. The vinyl that you get with this, you get an iron-on red, and this is the 2 12 by 24, sorry. You get the 12 by 24, it's one big, huge roll of the red, and then you get the raspberry, which is 12 by 24. And like we talked about last mystery box, you can always tell if it's a sample pack or if it's just one by the number, and then it'll tell you how big it is. And so this is a 12 by 24. And both of these are the iron-on. They have the strong bond guarantee. So if you press them good, they're not gonna peel off your shirts. And I throw mine in the wash and they're perfectly okay. So I wanna show you guys what's next. This is so much fun. I have 2 daughters, and I know that once I bring this box inside, I get this box and I keep it secret and hidden because I absolutely try to keep everything preserved, and I know that if my girls got a hold of this paper, then I would not be able to show you guys. So this is Cricut Deluxe paper, and this is the Tangled series. This is 12 sheets of 12 by 12. You can always find that kind of square, and it'll tell you what exactly you're getting. And then on the back, if you're in the store, it'll show you too. So these are double-sided, which I love. I love cardstock, or I love paper that is double-sided, that has maybe a print on one side and it's not just white on the back. Because I feel like it gives you more options or depth to your project. So these are really good for cards, but I'll tell you something else I use these for. I use them for props, and I use them for backdrops for my photography. They're so cute, and it's super easy to swap out. So you're not investing in a ton of photography props if you don't have a lot of space, or you don't want to spend a ton of money on props. It's really good to just start out with this. So let me open this up inside, and then after this, there's one more pack of paper. And if you are a Disney fan, you are going to absolutely love this box, because I'm a Disney fan, and especially a princess fan. And my daughters, y'all, they are going to fight me over this box. I'm not sure that we're gonna be able to, that I'm gonna keep it from them. So let me show you all the sheets. You do get the 12 sheets of 12 by 12, and those will fit perfectly on your regular size mats. And then here is the Tangled. You get different Rapunzels. Sorry about the sniffles, I am. And on the back it is yellow, so you do have that option, and you get 2 of each. This one is just really pretty woodland animals, and this one is the green on the back. That one is wonderful. This one is her and her hair, and it says fill your own pages, and it has her journal and the frying pan. And if you've watched Tangled, then you will be a big fan of this. This is the backing of this sheet. This one is, oh, the little green dude, he's so cute. And on this one is teal on the back. That's her best bud. This one is just the flowers, and it is beautiful, and then this pretty green on the back. You get a lot of sheets with these, and then you get the sun, and it says different quotes on this paper. It says, take on the world, something is calling me, release the power within, and it is another purple color on the back of this. Pascal, yes, Pascal. He's so cute. I'm not gonna tell you the name that I was trying to call him in my head. I was like, that's not right. But my head just tried to keep calling him something else. Pascal is so cute. And I think I'm trying to do that because the way that my 4-year-old says it is just totally wrong. But she's gonna love playing with that paper. And like I said, it is so diverse. You can use paper for so many things, and I never thought that I would. But that's my favorite part about these mystery boxes, is that you get items that you may not think that you would use, or as a crafter, it may be outside of your comfort zone, or it may be something that you didn't think that you would buy for yourself. But you invest in these mystery boxes, you get a really good deal. And then that way, you get to play with products that are new to you. So the next mystery box item, and this is the very last, you can use these with your Explorer machines and with the Cricut maker, and this is the Disney Princess Deluxe. So if you are like me and you love Disney princesses, or you love Disney's, stuff, or you have girls, you're going to love this box. So we'll go ahead with the first. These are double back too. This is Cinderella silhouette. And it has like floral pieces in the castle. And on the back of this, so these are printed. The Tangled series is solid on the back, but these are printed. And then this has blue with the shoe and the clock and some carriage images. And let's see, with this one you get 4 patterns each, and you get 3 sheets of each. So 3 sheets of the 4 patterns. I got confused for a minute. And then this one is Ariel. There's a fork and there is a castle and there is Ariel. And on the back of this one you have seashells and just some floral designs. These are so cute, y'all. I love paper crafting too. I don't know, do any of you guys paper craft? I love paper crafting. It is so much fun. And you get to make things that people just can't buy in the store, which is what I love about Cricut the most. So this one is Princess Tiana. You get the frog, there's a little frog and Tiana and a crayon, and these are super cute. And on the back of this one is the stars and just a pattern that's green that goes with Tiana's colors. They're not shimmery, they are just paper, so they have like a matte finish. So you will be able to use the glitter pens. And then this very last one, this one is, they've included a couple on these because there's an apple, there's Aurora, Princess Aurora, there's Cinderella, and a castle and Bambi. So, and this one is just Disney themed, and it's pink and a darker pink. And on the back of this, there's just a bunch of apples, and that is so cute. So think about spring coming up and you do something that's just really cute, a really cute project, and you can put this as your backdrop, or you can put your project on top of this to take photos with. And so that's a really good way to switch out your projects, to switch up your social media marketing or images, and it's just a really good, fun thing to use. So I would love to know what your favorite part of the mystery box is. This mystery box is valued at just under $87, but it is yours for $29.99. If you add just a few items to your cart, you get 10% off, $50, and free shipping. The free shipping is what gets me. That's my favorite part. And then don't forget the pens, because like I said, I'm the biggest pen snob in the whole wide world. I will not use a pen, and I will not use a cheap pen, because writing and keeping things like organized and tracked is so important to me. So yeah, I love this box. Let me know what your favorite is, and let me know if you snag a box, because like I said, if these sell out, they do not restock. So thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching me. I am so excited to share this box with you. You never know what Cricut is going to release. This month is just March Madness. They have gone crazy and given us some of the funnest stuff to play with. And I'm so excited and looking forward to the rest of the week with you guys, and I will talk to you soon.